you been here? Hey girl. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a little mukbang. I am eating a from Fridays. It's a chicken salad, so it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. It's messy, huh? Okay. Why is it so loud? Okay. Yeah, so this is my first time eating a salad. I never really paid for a salad. I always just, I guess I paid for it, but I just bought the stuff and made it myself. I never bought like an actual salad. No. It has, it's basically chicken, bacon, ranch. It has chicken, bacon, ranch, some jalapenos, and some banana peppers. That chicken is really good. They put a ranch in here, but I'm not using that. Ranch with bacon. I am so excited for Christmas. I basically bought everything that I needed to buy. Besides, I need to get a few more things for my baby. And I need to get something for my boyfriend. Because y'all, I'm getting him something. I got him something very nice, okay? I'm thinking about getting me and my boyfriend flights to somewhere for a little couple's vacation for the both of us. Comment down below, where do you think is a good place to go for like a couple's vacation? Nothing too crazy, you know, but I definitely want to go somewhere nice where we could see a nice view and things like that. I kind of already have an idea of where I want to go. Is this avocado? I forgot he said it has avocado in it. Yeah, so there's avocado too. What else is there? I think that's it. This is a very big salad too. Get your bang for your buck. Okay, TGI Friday. This is actually good. It's really good. So yeah, where I'm thinking about taking my boyfriend on a vacation is either Hawaii, Puerto Rico, or what's the other one? Oh yeah, he wanted to do the Bahamas. Yeah, I'm not really even including that. But I'm thinking, let me see, Hawaii or Puerto Rico. Those are both like, they sound like really nice places to go to. Even like Mexico, but that's like down the line, you know, future things. I've went to Mexico before as a child, which is why I want to wait. Before I go again, I want to go somewhere else. So that way I could say, I've been to Mexico and Hawaii, you know. And honestly, I'm not doing nothing crazy in the ocean when I go. I don't plan on swimming with no sharks, no whales, no dolphins, no nothing. I would swim with the dolphins, but no. So yeah. Comment down below. What do you think is a nice romantic couples vacation to go to? Um, budget friendly, and yeah, because it'll be my first time going, like, because we went to Vegas together, and you know, we went to a few other states together, but like one, yeah. So that's the main. This is like gonna be a big trip. Oh yeah, it has cucumber in it too. I forgot everything it has in it. And it looks like some boiled eggs. Oh. Yeah, it looks like boiled egg right here. I guess that's what that is. So it has chicken bacon ranch, jalapeno, banana peppers, cucumbers, some boiled egg, and I think that's it actually. The only thing it's missing, what I normally put in it, is some onion. I gotta mix it up so that everything can get everywhere. Oh, this is a huge salad. Yeah, so I'm almost done Christmas shopping. I'm glad. Now I'm just ready for what 2020. If you could hear my kids, it's because they're on their Christmas break, so they're in the room screaming. If you could hear them. But yeah, just waiting for my 2022 adventures, getting prepared, booking these flights. So stay tuned because I'm going to be doing lots of travel vlogs. Well, not lots of them, but at least like 3 travel vlogs in 2022. I hope with COVID going on, I hope I'm able to travel like I want to. So we'll see. Anybody else plan on doing any traveling? Next year, like I go to Vegas a lot. Well, not a lot, but I've been to Vegas a few times. And I love it. Like the last time I went, it was a very bad experience. Like got in a fight and everything. I had to get on an emergency flight back basically. Lost a best friend. Fought my best friend. A whole damn thing. I could do a story time. But yeah, it was crazy. So I do want to go back to Vegas just so it doesn't leave a bad taste in my mouth, because I know it's a fun place. You just got to go with the right people. And, you know, make sure if liquor's involved that they know how to deal with it. So I want to go to Vegas. I want to go to like somewhere nice, like a nice island or something. So that's where Puerto Rico or Hawaii comes in, or even the Bahamas, you know. So I want to visit an island, or not even an island, but just, you know, near the water, near a beach. That's what I'm trying to say. I want to be by a beach. And then my cousin even brought up like Miami. She might want to do Miami. So we're trying to do a girls trip. Which that's much needed. Much needed over here. Oh, where's a good girls trip, okay? Comment down below for like spring or summertime girls trip. Where's a good place to go? I know Vegas, okay, yeah. Miami, maybe. Where else? This salad is big, man. I'm still eating. Mm. My daughters stay screaming and fighting all day long. So if you hear them, I mean, they're not real fighting. They're just like fighting over toys and things. I'm super excited for Christmas. I cannot stop saying that. You know, I wasn't quite looking forward to it. What I mostly look forward to is the gifts for my daughters, of course. Making them happy. I like wrapping the gifts, you know, all that. Shopping for it, wrapping the gifts and everything. It's been a little bit stressful, but yeah. It was a little bit stressful, but you know, you gotta pull through. What was most stressful is because I officially like moved out of my other apartment, and so it was like the last day one of my packages was supposed to be delivered there, so I had to get it moved to a Safeway, to a store, so that I can go pick up my package there. And then like FedEx stopped updating my information, and then come to find out they lost my package. Christmas clothes from Fashion Nova, my first time ever buying my kids freaking Fashion Nova. It must be a sign, right? Yeah, so their Christmas clothes ended up getting lost with FedEx somewhere, and I tried to file a claim, and they closed my case without even letting me know. And so now I'm trying to go to Fashion Nova, see what they could do. And yeah, it's just a whole process. I'm gonna have to buy my daughters more Christmas clothes. Like not Christmas clothes, like stuff that they could open for Christmas, which it was their clothes. It was cute stuff. I wouldn't even want to shop again until I get it all situated from them. So yeah, that was stressful. Um, but that was probably like the only thing that really stressed me out. Oh yeah, and then my brother had sent my daughter's gifts, and the like I know you know, I know it's the holiday season and y'all delivery drivers are tired and stuff, but deliver the stuff to the appropriate place, please, because um, my brother bought my daughter some stuff, which frustrated me, you know, because not a lot of people buy my daughter's, you know, gifts all the time, and he does it every year for Christmas. And so they left it outside my apartment building, which didn't make any sense because like there's a mail room for mail and for packages. So this salad is almost gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this mukbang. TGIFridays, you did good on your salad. It was bomb. So I ate most of my food. Um, yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what other content you guys would like to see from me. I know I do mukbangs, cook with me's, things with my family, with my daughters, and things like that. But go ahead and comment down below and just let me know what else you'd like to see from me so that I can go ahead, you know, and have just a few more ideas. So yeah, that's the end of this mukbang. Thanks for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.